Hi, Brian here from Gushine, where we customize battery packs to power your products, just like this. Now we are here in Hanoi, Vietnam, to attend the IEAE, which is the International Electronics and Smart Appliance Expo. If you are considering building your next new product here in Vietnam, or you want to shift your existing battery supply chain from China to Vietnam, we can help both, because now our facilities, our manufacturing bases here are in fully operation, from sorting to matching to pack assembling, testing, packaging, and global certification. All is ready to support your next project. As you can see, our colleagues now are introducing our latest battery technology to our customers. Come to our booth at A1G01 to check out our plan for you. See you soon.